Yo, what's up, everybody? Hey, I'm gonna do a physique update once or twice a week, really just for my benefit. I'm gonna compete again, I believe. I've really made some advancements this last year on working out smarter, no caffeine or ephedrine, which I've used for 25 years, using a fasting technique combined with carb cycling like a bodybuilder to bring down my inflammation so my joints are feeling better. I had a full hip replacement surgery 4 years ago. My shoulders were beat up with severe nerve damage over here, so my shoulder couldn't press over my head. My right shoulder is chronically beat up with arthritis and bursitis from a 40-year sports career. Throwing baseballs hard, hitting 300-pound linemen. So anyway, I'm repairing some of that stuff with some protocol. One is CBD, bringing down natural inflammation naturally. Number 2 is my high-quality essential amino acid product with CBD in it that allows me to work out in a fasted state and use what I call the faster diet. Faster to get results for fat burning, but also anti-aging, bringing down inflammation in my shoulder. So I'm real excited. So don't judge a bodybuilder if you see them posing in the mirror. It's not about look at me, it's about me using my tools to see what works for me, and then I do it with my clients, and I put out that ripple effect with friends and family in the internet world. So, and when you see someone posing, it's using the mirror as a critique. And I haven't posed for 3 years because I didn't think I'd compete again, and I actually couldn't pose because of my joints hurting, but now I can pose, and I think I want to compete again next spring or next fall with a couple friends to do it in a more sane, balanced approach. Because I was a drug-free for life guy, no steroids, no hormones, but I abused cutting agents like caffeine and ephedrine. I was super stressed out. It was very unhealthy. Guys and girls who compete taking drugs, it's even more unhealthy. So I'm gonna hit a few poses. If you guys wanna chat it out in the comment section below, tell me what you think. Tell me if you can get any takeaways from this. I'd love to talk to you about my faster diet. So here we go. Oh, what the heck. Gotta see the skin, right? Square up. Front relaxed. Quads are really important in bodybuilding. Gotta see lines in them. Rear double bicep. Side chest. Arnold side double bicep pose. And one of my worst poses, front lat spread. Really difficult for me because of my shoulder injuries, but I'm getting better at it. Really excited about my shoulders improving. So there you go. Chat it out below. If you got any questions, love you. You do have power change to make the rest of your life the best of your life. Woot woot. Pow. Boom. Shakalaka.